today we are going to make a charcuterie board. Less than 15 minutes, everything is under 50 bucks. So let's get started. Let me show you what we are going to need. We are going to use some artisan wrapped bruschetta hard salami. We're going to use some shrimps, some cocktail sauce. We're going to use some grapes, some strawberries, some crackers, and we're going to use two different cheese. We're going to use cheddar cheese and we're going to use mozzarella cheese. So I have already started the board, and this is the starting of our board. We have all of our utensils at the top. We have a cheese ball in the middle. We put strawberries on one side, grapes on the other. So now we will just start our board and we will add our items. We're going to start off with adding some crackers. Okay, then we are going to add our wraps. Cheese, I've already pre-cut it. Then we will add our shrimps. Quick, simple, and easy. Takes under 15 minutes, possibly under 10 minutes. Our cocktail sauce. Go ahead and put our cocktail sauce in our bowl here. Then we will add a little more fruit on. Let's add some grapes. Let's add some strawberries. Let's make the board nice and full. Okay, and it looks like we are done. Less than 10 minutes, actually less than 5 minutes. So we have a nice charcuterie board. It's actually two boards. On this board, so I'm going to pull it in just a little bit so that you guys can get a good look at it. And this is our finished product. This is one half of the board. Looks nice, looks amazing. And here's our second side of the board. Nice. Amazing. So these boards are very, very handy. You can use them for anything, a gathering, a date night, friends over, sip on some wine, snack on your items on your board. So, I thank you guys for joining today. I am Ms. Shem, owner of Shimmer Elegance, where we sell women's wigs, beauty products, and accessories. Our website is